Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devon if you are new here. So today we're going to be doing my updated wash and go routine. So it's been over a year, almost like 2 years I think, since I last showed you guys my wash and go routine. So I just wanted to come and show y'all what I've been doing lately, my product combinations, my technique, all of those things. And I'm also going to give you guys some tips about how to get your wash and go really defined and help it to just last a week or 2 weeks. And this is literally how I do my wash and goes every single time. So let's get into what I do. So of course I'm starting off on clean hair. I just washed and conditioned my hair, and I just put my hair up in these 4 sections that I washed my hair in. And we're going to start off on this first back section. And I had my hair tied up with my TEE-OWEL for like, I don't know, like 45 minutes or so, just to get a lot of the excess water out. I don't like to do my wash and goes on soaking wet hair. I know that works for some people, but the way my thick hair is set up, like my hair would never dry if I did my wash and go on soaking wet hair. So I always do it on damp hair, as you can see. But I do keep my spray bottle handy because I do go back and spray some water back in as I go along. You don't want your hair to be too dry because then you're not going to get that definition that you're really looking for. So this section is looking a little bit on the dry side, so I'm going to spray a little bit of water. And just rub that in. Alright, so in each big section, I section it off into 3 separate sections. So I'm going to start off with my first section and just put the rest up. So I always do my wash and go with just 2 products. And the first product that I'm using is this Bounce Curl Avocado and Rose Oil Clump and Define Cream. And this cream, first of all, it smells so good. Like whenever I use this stuff, I get so many compliments about how my hair smells. So this is a light hold cream, so I wouldn't be able to just use this by itself for a wash and go, but it's like a perfect base for me to use up under my second product, which is my gel. And I just go in and add not too much, but enough to that entire section. And this product also gives me really nice moisture. I never do a wash and go with gel only. I know some people do that, but I just always like to make sure that I'm putting some type of moisturizing base up under the gel. So I went back and added a little bit more to my ends. And while I'm doing this, y'all, I'm also going in with my fingers and making sure that my hair is fully detangled. You definitely don't want to have a wash and go with tangled hair. It's just not gonna be good. Especially when you're ready to wash your hair again, it's just gonna be a mess. So make sure your hair is nice and detangled. So after I've applied my bounce curl, I then go in with my Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator Gel. Y'all, this is top tier gel. Like out of all the gels that I've tried, and I've tried quite a few, this is my favorite gel. It honestly has a soft texture, but yet it gives my hair a whole lot of definition. Like I don't even know how to explain it, but my hair does not dry like crunchy or hard. There's not like a gel cast after I use it, but yet my curls look super defined after. And it's just my favorite gel. I love it so much. So this is what this gel looks like. So it's kind of like watery. It's not like a very like tacky gel, and that's probably why I love it so much. And I'm pretty heavy-handed with my gel. Like, the gel is really what gets your hair super defined. So if you don't want your hair as defined, then you don't have to add as much gel. But for one thing, I like my hair defined, but also I like my hair to last. And I've found that when I don't use enough gel, my hair just does not last as long as I need it to. And I need my hair to last a week or 2 weeks because I don't have time to be doing my hair every day. So that is what I do. And I literally do the same thing that I was doing with my cream. I'm just running my fingers through it. This also helps to define my curls, and it just makes sure that I'm getting all my hair coated with the gel. So this is like a key tip, all right? So if you see a lot of frizz in your hair when it's wet with the gel, it's gonna dry like that too. So right here where I'm seeing there's still a lot of gel like at the roots, I'm going to go back, get some more gel, and concentrate it at that area. And I also kind of add pressure as I'm squeezing the product into my hair. I have low porosity hair, so it kind of takes some work to get the product to really get into my hair. So if you have low porosity hair and you just feel like your hair doesn't get fully coated with your product, I would recommend to just add a little bit of pressure. So this part of my hair is the most stubborn section of my hair. So I probably spend the most time on this back section just because it tends to not want to cooperate like the front of my hair. But I think that's looking pretty good. You can really see the curls coming through. So after I've applied all the product, that is when I go in with my duck clip. So essentially what the duck clip does is it kind of weighs my hair down so that my hair dries without as much shrinkage. And I just feel like when I use my duck clips, my hair turns out a lot better because I guess it's like more confined. And it just ends up looking really, really pretty. So what I do is I kind of grab my hair and pull down, and then I add my duck clip to the bottom, like so. And that's literally all I do. And then I go and I do the exact same thing with the next section. So I sprayed a little bit of water and I'm going in with my bounce curl. Making sure there's no tangles. So you can see that that cream gives me like a little bit of definition, but nothing compared to when I go in with my gel. And as you do your wash and goes more and more, you can literally feel when your hair has enough of the product on it. And again, you can see because you don't have that frizz. And this is how you want your ends to look. You don't want to see a whole lot of frizz, especially at the bottom of your hair, because when your ends are really frizzy, it just kind of makes the rest of your hair look frizzy. So definitely, if you don't get anything else defined, get your ends defined. So that is one section. Like that is what you want it to look like. If you're not seeing this, if it's just looking real frizzy, just add more gel. When in doubt, add more gel. So when I get to the front of my hair, I pay special attention to these very front pieces because they tend to get frizzy really quickly. So I usually just take a little bit of the gel and I just rub it straight into those front little, I guess you would call them little bang pieces. And you can kind of twirl these pieces around your finger just to give you a little extra definition. Because these are the pieces that people are going to see right away, since they're the pieces in the front of your hair. Then I just put the duck clip at the end. Then I go in with these little small clips and I clip the front like that. And this clip just kind of helps to keep that part of my hair in place while it dries a little bit. And then I usually take it off maybe after a few hours or so before I actually go to bed. Alright, so now that all my hair is done, I'm just going to let it air dry. I pretty much never diffuse my hair unless I just have to go somewhere and my hair isn't dry yet. For the most part, I always just let it air dry overnight. So that is what we're going to do. And then in the morning, I will take the clips down and let you guys see what my hair looks like. So see you guys tomorrow. All right, y'all, so it is the next morning and I just slept with this bonnet on my hair. I always use my extra large bonnet when I do my wash and goes, just so that my hair can just be as least smushed as possible. But yeah. Alright, so as you can see, the curls are still pretty much fully intact. And now I'm just going to go in and take out the duck clips. Okay, so if you can see, my hair is like sitting on my shoulders. If I had not used my duck clips, my hair would have shrunk way more than this, which is why I love using those. So now all I'm gonna do is just literally go in and separate my curls. So when I do this, I'm very gentle because I don't want to disturb my curls too much. But at the same time, I'm making sure that my hair doesn't look all clumpy and weird. So I'm just running my hair through and separating. So as you can see, as I separate and fluff, I get more volume, which I always love when my hair is nice and voluminous. And if I want, I can flip my hair over and do like a little side part situation. Okay, so that's really cute. Just gonna take a bobby pin, stick it in there, and I put a bobby pin in front just so that my hair won't be completely in my face. And this is the final look. Alright y'all, so that is all I do for my wash and go routine. It's very simple. Let me know if you have any questions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with your friends, and also hit that subscribe button so that you can join the clique. If you haven't watched my most recent video about 8 reasons why your hair is not growing, then make sure you check that video out after this one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!